When it comes to choosing a car, low maintenance costs are something we all look out for. Not only do they save us money, but they also mean fewer visits to the repair shop. Mechanics have really good knowledge of which vehicles hold up best over time, so why not listen to them? Stick around to find out some cars that are known for their reliability and wallet-friendly upkeep, according to mechanics. Is your car costing you too much in repairs? Or are you looking for your next ride that won't break the bank? You're about to find out. Let's start with a name you'll hear a lot when it comes to reliability. The Toyota Corolla has a good reputation for being really reliable. Known for its simplicity and robust engineering, this car often goes a long time without requiring big repairs. Its parts are easy to find and affordable, making maintenance easy for most owners. The Corolla's components are built to last, which is why mechanics consistently rank it as one of the most reliable cars on the road. Year after year, the Honda Civic remains a favorite among mechanics and drivers alike. Its durable design and efficient engine make it a popular choice for people who want a car for a long time. Maintenance stuff, like oil changes and brake pad replacements, are really easy and don't cost much. On top of that, it keeps its resale value because of its reliability, making it a great investment for budget-conscious car buyers. Praised for its performance and low repair costs, the Ford Fusion stands out as a reliable midsize sedan. Mechanics appreciate its simple design, which makes common repairs like replacing spark plugs or belts more manageable. The Fusion's parts are always available, ensuring affordable fixes even for older versions with lots of miles. It's an excellent choice for anyone seeking comfort and reliability without breaking the bank. These owners also enjoy peace of mind thanks to this car's low maintenance needs. With a focus on quality and efficiency, the Elantra doesn't fail very often. Its really good factory warranty also gives drivers extra confidence in their purchase, because even if something does go wrong, they won't have to pay for it themselves. Regular service costs, such as oil changes or tire rotations, are also very affordable, making it an ideal car for long-term ownership. For decades, the Toyota Camry has been known for its reliability and affordability, and mechanics often recommend it because of its well-engineered engine and transmission, which can go well over 200,000 miles with proper care. Replacement parts for the Camry are affordable and really easy to find because Camrys are so popular. Its routine maintenance costs are also among the lowest in its class. Whether you want to use it for commuting or long-distance travel, the Camry shouldn't disappoint you. The Subaru Impreza is one of the best all-wheel drive vehicles when it comes to keeping maintenance costs low. It's made really well, so critical systems like the drivetrain and suspension should stay reliable for years. For drivers seeking a dependable car with added traction for tough road conditions or rally races, the Impreza is one of the best choices. With its amazing price and low running costs, the Kia Forte has gained a name for being a smart pick if you want a reliable car. Regular maintenance things like brake replacements or oil changes are affordable, and the Forte's warranty will always add an extra layer of reassurance for its owners. Mechanics note that the reliability of these cars has only improved in recent years, with J.D. Power awarding it an incredible 89 out of 100 for reliability. Mazda's focus on quality engineering is definitely shown in the Mazda 3 because it's a car that mechanics often praise for its dependability. A strong and dependable engine, combined with affordably priced parts, makes repairs much cheaper than many of its competitors if you do ever have any problems. With its blend of fun driving dynamics and practicality, the Mazda 3 offers reliability without sacrificing enjoyment behind the wheel. These cars have great performance and comfort, but they also have really low upkeep costs, earning it a top spot among rival sedans. Its engines are designed for durability, and its transmission doesn't have many issues. Mechanics highlight the Accord's simplicity when it comes to routine tasks like changing filters or replacing brake pads, which helps keep service costs in check. A simple and reliable car makes the Accord exactly what you're looking for. Owners benefit from a car that's as easy to maintain as it is to drive because its parts are widely available and inexpensive. This means even occasional repairs won't cost you loads of money, like some other cars. These cars often last over 200,000 miles because its engine and transmission are designed for longevity. Clearly, this is a very dependable option for families and commuters alike. Thanks to a well-built engine and transmission that hold up over time, the Altima is very cheap to maintain. Routine services like oil changes or brake replacements are very easy and affordable, so you won't have to waste money on mechanics wasting time. These cars are often recommended for drivers who want a vehicle that performs reliably without frequent trips to the shop. Its smooth ride and good fuel efficiency only add to its value. Known for its sturdy build quality, this car rarely needs major repairs when well maintained. For example, tire rotations are priced quite well compared to similar models, and oil changes and brake pad replacements are also affordable. Mechanics love its engine and easy design because maintenance is easier and won't cost you as much, either. Hyundai's amazing warranties also provide additional peace of mind, solidifying the Sonata as a smart investment. When it comes to hybrid vehicles, the Toyota Prius is surely the best for its reliability and low maintenance expenses. Its hybrid system is engineered for durability, with many owners reporting minimal issues even after years of driving. Mechanics love how well the Prius balances innovative technology with straightforward maintenance needs. If you wanted, you can even get a 10-year warranty for this car. The Subaru Outback is a popular choice for adventurous drivers. Its all-wheel drive system is built to last, requiring minimal repairs even after years of use. Maintenance is also straightforward and reasonably priced, from oil changes to brake servicing. Its engine and suspension are praised because they can handle high mileage without significant issues. For drivers who want a reliable SUV, the Ford Escape is a top contender. Known for its efficient engine and durable transmission, the Escape often avoids costly repairs well into its lifespan. Routine tasks like filter changes and tire replacements are simple and affordable, keeping ownership costs lower than a lot of other SUVs. These cars are often recommended for their practicality and long-term dependability, making it a solid choice for families or commuters. This Kia stands out from the rest for its unique design and surprisingly low upkeep costs. Mechanics talk about its reliable drivetrain and good build quality as reasons why it performs so well over time. Routine maintenance, such as oil changes and brake servicing, is budget-friendly, and the Soul's affordable replacement parts make unplanned repairs less expensive for us owners. Compact yet versatile, the Honda Fit is loved for its low maintenance demands and impressive longevity. It's simple and well-engineered, so it doesn't break down very often, and it's affordable when issues do arise. Mechanics often note how easy it is to work on, making labor costs lower than many competitors. Whether used for city commutes or road trips, the Fit delivers really great value and reliability that owners will love. There you have it, 17 cars that mechanics trust to keep you driving without breaking the bank. Which one caught your eye? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video, share it with friends who might need a car upgrade, and subscribe to our channel for more tips and reviews. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.